Hey, welcome to the Beersjackofbbq. Check out the Mesa 200 we just put together. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Yeah, so Monument Grills reached out to us again. Last year you saw us do the Mesa 400 stainless steel grill, 4-burner, side burner. Thought an impressive grill, and you saw the number of cooks we did on it this year. And you know, sometimes we do reviews and we use the products here and there, but when we continue to show them on our channel, you know we really like the product. So when they reached out and talked about some other ones, the Mesa 200 is a smaller compact grill. It's only a 2-burner, but can't wait to put it together and show you everything, all the new features. They kind of improved the thermometer, the glass in the front, the cover on the top, have some nice features for opening a beer and hanging your utensils. But like I said, nice, impressive grills. So always get a cover for it as well, because I always keep my grills covered out there. But we're gonna show you, not really show you unboxing because they're already unboxed and laid it out, but it's always boxed excellently. Everything fits inside. This thing, I saw FedEx drop this thing off for me. They were not kind to it when they dropped it off. Everything was perfect when I took it out of the box. So we'll get you back on camera here when we start putting this thing together and go from there. All right, so we're just gonna start putting this thing together. We're gonna probably fast forward on a lot of parts. If there's any parts that give us any issues, we're gonna stop, kind of explain what we did or what may be the best way to do it. But if everything goes smoothly, it's just gonna be following the directions and putting it together. We got stuff laid out, kind of ready to go, so hopefully this is a quick process. So we did see, I had the bracket in the wrong hole. I actually looked at the direction backwards there. And then these shelves, they're made to come out. I'm gonna recheck this bracket back here because this other side works really nice for dropping that. So I wanna make sure I have something set up right here properly, but other than that, it's all good to go with the side shelf. So that was probably a user error over the design. All right, so correction on the side stuff, we actually missed a piece of it there. So there's a little spacer and a little screw that goes in from the inside and actually holds the bracket even more secure. So that was part of the reason why I was having trouble with that shelf. So we missed that step. So I'm gonna put these in. We did that on the other side already, but wanted to bring you back to show you what we kind of ran into. So here we are, all together. We didn't show you the inside putting it together. Actually, Jack did take a couple videos with that while we were putting some of the insides together. But like I said, definitely the 400 was great that we worked with. This one's even nicer. This thermometer goes to 800. The other one went to 700. They actually adjusted. I will explain more of this as we do some cooks on the cook that we're going to do in this video as well. But they actually updated this cast aluminum on the side to make that better. The lighting is actually white when not on, and when it's on, it actually is red, which is pretty cool. Of course, it has the igniter over there. And then the glass, like I said, is this one's actually, I think, even bigger than the 400 is, and the 400 is a bigger grill, but for the see-through technology, the cast iron grate. So Looking forward to firing this thing up. We're gonna do a burn off before we do some cooking, but we'll do a cook soon. All right, so now the fun part happens. So let's put the grill together in the garage. A little bit warmer there. Had about 2 feet of snow in the past week here, so got everything running though. And as you know, with the Mesa 200, when we always do a new grill, do some nice big tomahawks, some good beer. But we'll show you some features along the way. We talked about them when we put it together with the cast aluminum on the outside of the grill, the thermometer that goes up to 800 degrees now, the lights that work differently when the burner's on, they're red, and when they're off, they're white, which is really cool to tell. And then a special feature bottle opener side that we'll show as well. Plus, the shelves on this grill fold down for easy storage. Perfect thing for a small family. You know, living in an apartment where you can put something on a deck. It's a great little grill. So can't wait to throw these babies on. It's going to be a little bit of a tight fit with these long bones, but season them with kosher salt 24 hours in advance, and we'll get them on the grill. And one of the best features on the grill, bottle opener. All right, let's see how they fit. I know it's going to be close. Lots of room. So I just have the left burner. You can see by the red light, if you can see it on the camera, and this is white, but I have this side actually on high. I was holding about 400. I want to see what the temperature probes start telling us for the ambient temperature. We want to hold about 250 to 300 over on this side. So bring it back when this is probably close to 70, 80 degrees. All right, both running right around 80, which is good. Just gonna flip them and twist them around here a little bit. All right, like I said, about 115 I think is what we're gonna go for here before we start searing them off. All right, saying we reach about 115 and see where we're at. 112. Right, I just touched the probe, 115 right on the probe. So these babies are coming off because we're gonna get ready to sear them. They got the grill fired up here, and the bone just broke because I had it over the heat the whole time. All right, let's sear them off. They said the one bone broke on me with, that was the one that was kind of, we had it over the heat the whole time. So we're actually gonna have the bone kind of crawl like that on that one. We'll go a minute aside right now. All right, got some nice flaming happen here. Got some good searing going. Got to take off my one probe out of there. And this was a bone that broke from, we had it over the high heat, so that's why the bone actually broke. Go another minute there. All right, that was another minute. We're getting there. Yeah, that's starting to look, I mean, it's gonna be a good steak, I can tell you that. All right, another minute. Hopefully this is gonna be our last flip. Yeah, that's looking beautiful there. Oh, and same with that. Take a quick peek at what our searing is looking like here. This one had a lot of flame on it. We got a little char on the edge there. That's still gonna be good. Boy, gonna pull them off. That's gonna be good. See you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, end of the cook. Mesa 200. I said, put it together in the garage. Went very easy. We've
like I said, we've done a grill before, so we kind of knew what we were doing. But man, the improvements they made this year over last year. Last year's grill, we had the 400 last year. Fantastic. Still have the 400. Still sitting behind Jack right now at the camera there. But boy, it worked out great. I only had the left burner on high the whole time because it is like pretty cold out here tonight. It's in the 20s. With the bone did break because we had it over the high heat the whole time, even though I had it wrapped. But not a big deal. Doesn't affect anything we do for the cook. But took just a little bit over an hour to probably bring it up to the temperature we needed before searing. Both probes were reading the exact same in both steaks, which was kind of nice to work out that way. And so the bottle opener worked. That's always a plus. And the lights that on the front that worked, I like the way that is for knowing which burner is on when you're cooking. But fantastic little small family grill. Even Jack made the comment, he goes, man, that grill is like gives you the features of a big grill in a small package. It's really a nice little grill and reasonably priced as well for that. And ours is a stainless steel. They also have colors as well. So enough of me talking, it's cold outside. Let's cut into this thing. So should be a pretty nice medium rare. Tender as can be. Oh, that's like perfect. And I'm always a lover of the cap here, so I'm gonna get myself a nice piece here. These tomahawks are fantastic. Like I said, these are a little bit different than we get them at called Wilhauer Farms. Black Angus beef, it's called, near Quakertown that lives by us, but super tender. Salt brine only, and that flavor is just outstanding. So we're gonna have more information in our comments about the Mesa 200, but like we're seeing, subscribe to our channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.